This is our entertainment box. This has really three biggest functions. This box holds and orchestrates all of the power within this van. And so this has, in the back you can't see, it has breaker boxes, it has fuses, it has all of the wiring. This right here is our battery bank. So this holds, this is where pretty much all of our power comes from. So we use 3 deep cycle interstate marine grade batteries. So here we have the controls for a lot of different things. Here are the green accent lights, the dome lights, which are the crisp, nice lights on the inside of here. Here you control the cargo lighting. You can turn on DC electric. You can turn on the water pump. So whenever you want to use the sink system up here, you can turn on the water pump from right here. You can also turn on the exterior lights in the front. So these are a few of the controls that you can do from right here. This is our smart solar system. And so our power within the van is run through 3 different means of obtaining electricity. So number 1, shore power. In the back there's a shore power hookup. So you can plug in any 3-prong extension cord and you can plug it into any 3-prong outlet. You can plug it into a generator, you can plug it into the side of a house, you can even put on an adapter to where you can plug in at a campsite. So that's the biggest source of power. Number 2 source of power is solar power. So we have 2 solar panels up on top, 340 watts total. So those are mounted directly above me, and those are continually charging up the battery whenever there's any solar at all. What's really cool about our system is our smart solar system. So this, in summary, and it's really complicated and scientific, not to the user, but just the science behind it is really cool. Pretty much what the smart solar system does is it determines where's the electricity coming from and where does it need to go. And so this orchestrates our shore power with our solar power. And then also the third aspect of obtaining power is anytime the van starts, the alternator automatically starts charging up this battery bank down here. And it also protects the battery bank system from being overcharged and getting too much energy. So that's what the smart solar system is for. Right here we have the inverter charger remote. And so this is where you can see a lot of different controls. You can see the amperage that is coming in. You can see the voltage that we have in our batteries. And you can look at the different settings and change the different modes on the inverter charger. If you're parked for long periods of time, you can actually just turn the inverter charger off. And since we're plugged into shore power right now, it won't turn off, but you can turn the inverter charger off and that will save a lot of your battery. Right above the battery bank is some extra storage. Oftentimes this is where electronics will go, a DVD player, put Xbox in here, and there are HDMI cords right here that plug in or are directly routed to the television. If you don't want to put electronics in here, you can put other things, storage in here, plates, silverware, or whatever else you need it for. One of the big perks of having the entertainment box right here is that you're able to stand outside of the van and look, and you're kind of at eye level with everything and you can kind of see everything. The second use is as a seat. I've sat here and played Xbox or sat here, put my shoes on. It's really nice. It also, whenever you have seats here, it acts as a couch side coffee table. And so the second use is as a seat. The third use is very practical and really important. It is a step up into the bed. So if the bed is raised, and especially in a high roof, whenever your bed is really high and you got a lot of gear underneath, you really kind of need to step up into the bed. And so the entertainment box acts as a step up into the bed, a seat, and it houses all of the electricity.